If you want to add new keyboard language on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to open settings. Here we need to choose general, scroll down until you find keyboard, and then in keyboard settings go to keyboards at the top. Then you should be able to add new keyboard, and you can choose the language that you wish to use. So you can keep scrolling in order to find a specific language, or you can use the search bar at the top. Of course, some languages have different regions as well. So let's say we can choose English US, and then we can add to one of the languages that we already have added, or add as a completely new keyboard. And then we can also choose a different layout and press done in the top right corner. Remember that you can also edit when you have this list of all added languages in the top right corner here, and then you can drag by using these three lines and then move it all the way to the top in order to set the primary language, and press done in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!